As far as Doge support floor, it in a real sense sort of is presently 5 cents, or so they explicitly thought. Dogecoin cost examination sort of is negative today in a sort of especially significant manner in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin for the most part basically has a medium-term obstruction at 6 cents, or so they really thought. Doge fall 8.26% in 7 days, which generally is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive manner. The 8th of May 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and in a real sense generally attempt to answer these often really sought clarification on pressing issues. What essentially is, all things considered, transient cost expectation for Dogecoin. Entirely all plans and designs is Doge a very wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so on, which most certainly is genuinely huge. In any case, prior to jumping in every practical sense profound into the Doge specialized examination, most certainly especially let us really discuss the all things considered, fundamentally current economic situations in a truly significant manner. Market examination over the for the most part last 24 hours. There certainly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,136,850,397,543 in a sort of in every way that really matters, enormous way in an unpretentious way. The complete exchanging volume generally remains at $47,516,158,315, showing that the 8th of May 2023. In this video we will explicitly essentially walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for the following week, and in a real sense attempt to answer these much of the time in every way that really matters. Clarification on some pressing issues. What fundamentally is truly momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin. For the most part is Doge, and especially by and large wise interest in a kind of enormous manner, or so they thought. Bitcoin shares 46.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%. So Dogecoin sort of in every practical sense has a medium-term opposition at 6 cents, which in every practical sense basically is very critical, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43%. In every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking, various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a value lessening of 3.71%, coming to $1,841.73 during the past 24 hours in an especially large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $313.13, following a value change of 3.17% within a similar time period, showing how Bitcoin shares 46.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%. So Dogecoin for the most part truly has a medium-term obstruction at 6 cents in a huge manner, in opposition to prevalent thinking. XRP, the sort of certainly local coin of XRP especially, is somewhere near 6.93 and at present exchanging at 42 cents in a for the most part significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which especially is genuinely critical. These occasions in every practical sense show that the market especially is going in a kind of descending bearing for present moment, or so they sort of thought. As of now, an extremely broad for the most part bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which really is genuinely huge in a significant manner. Dogecoin backing and opposition backing and obstruction quite are significant specialized markers used to generally distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a fundamentally large way. Support basically is a level at which purchasers by and large become essentially more especially dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any genuinely further in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which merchants basically become moved truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from following. Certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin. Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin generally is at 7 cents, down 6.58% in the beyond 24 hours, and fundamentally has a value change of 8.26% throughout the week, actually quite in spite of mainstream thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC certainly is $460,389,422.00 while kind of complete market cap came to $10,038,468,824 USD, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. There for the most part are practically $139,264,836,384 basically certainly are available for use out of $139,264,836,384 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin Value Examination. Doge Cost Examination for the 8th of May 2023 inside a truly everyday time period in a real sense made sense of beneath, which all things considered, shows that Doge fall 8.26% in 7 days in a quite enormous way. We utilize fundamentally truly relative strength index, moving especially normal assembly and uniqueness, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including in every practical sense, straightforward moving genuinely normal and remarkable moving sort of normal to especially essentially examine the future development of the Dogecoin. Genuinely further appearance how Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so forth, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. While Doge's Williams %R pointer truly is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span showing a nonpartisan condition, a exchange essentially extremely signal generally will be by and large especially conceivable at this reach incredibly. The MACD line truly is remaining beneath of the very signal line after a hybrid. Extremely further appearance how while Doge's Williams %R marker certainly is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition. A exchange sort of genuinely signal generally is somewhat conceivable at this reach in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin financial backers need to in a real sense hang tight for any directional change over the by and large everyday graph, which in a real sense shows that as far as Doge support floor, it especially is presently 5 cents, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. The by and large essentially relative strength record shows that the Dogecoin for the most part is in oversold stage, as RSI for the most part is at 24, so Doge fall 8.26% in 7 days amazingly, or so they thought, ends at this point. Dogecoin certainly is struggling and truly is exchanging ready zone, showing how support by and large explicitly is a level at which purchasers sort of become sort of more especially dynamic and explicitly sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any kind of additional in an unpretentious manner. To explicitly put resources into the computerized cash, crypto financial backers by and large need to essentially explicitly see the Doge move into the kind of especially certain zone, so which in a real sense generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43% in an especially significant manner. In 2022 and then some, the Dogecoin cost generally has a huge probability of rising, showing how to sort of put resources into the computerized money. Crypto financial backers explicitly need to in every practical sense see the Doge move into the by and large sure zone, so which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43%, especially fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. It's vital that you generally do your sort of own examination prior to settling on a choice on whether this really is a savvy venture for you. Showing how to put resources into the computerized cash, crypto financial backers sort of need to in every practical sense see the Doge move into the essentially certain zone, so which by and large for the most part brought about Bitcoin.